Imagine typing your name in lowercase, uppercase, or with random capital letters. How do websites automatically fix that? How does Python convert text so easily? Today, we'll learn the most useful Python string functions that you'll use in almost every project. Let's begin. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the previous video, we learned what strings are, how indexing works, and how to slice strings. Today, we are going to learn Python's built-in string functions. A function is simply a ready-made piece of code that performs a specific task for us. Instead of writing a long program, we just call the function and Python does the work. We'll start with the easiest and most commonly used functions. First is len function. The len function returns the total number of characters in a string. Notice that Python counts every single character one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the answer is 6. Let's take another example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Don't forget the space between Python and programming. A space is also a character. Let's take one more example. Len doesn't care whether the string contains letters, numbers, spaces, or symbols. It simply counts the total number of characters. Another function is upper. Upper converts every lower letter into uppercase. So, did our original string change? Let's check. The original string is still Python in lowercase. This is because strings are immutable. Functions like upper return a new string instead of changing the original one. The next function is lower. Lower converts every uppercase letter into lowercase. Email addresses are generally treated without considering uppercase and lowercase letters. So converting everything to lowercase helps maintain consistency. Sometimes we don't want every letter to become uppercase. We only want the first letter to be capital. Python gives us two different functions for that. First is capitalize. Capitalize converts only the first character of the entire string into uppercase. Every remaining letter becomes lowercase. Let's take another example. Capitalize has converted all the letters into lowercase except the first character of the string, that is P. But what if every word should start with a capital letter? For that, we have our next function, title. Title capitalizes the first letter of every word. So capitalize changes only the first letter of the entire sentence, whereas title changes the first letter of every word. Now let's look at an interesting function that completely flips uppercase and lowercase letters. Swapcase changes uppercase letters into lowercase and lowercase letters into uppercase. Let's take another example. Every uppercase letter becomes lowercase and every lowercase letter becomes uppercase. Next, I'm going to present a few questions for you to predict the output. Pause the video and answer before running the code. Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question 4, and question 5. Let's discuss some common mistakes. First, thinking upper changes the original string. Confusing capitalize with title. Forgetting that spaces are counted by len. Forgetting quotation marks. So, today we learned 6 important string functions. Len, that counts the number of characters. Upper converts text to uppercase. Lower converts text to lowercase. Capitalize, it makes only the first letter of the sentence uppercase. Title makes the first letter of every word uppercase. Swap case, it reverses uppercase and lowercase letters. Excellent. You have now learned the most commonly used functions for counting characters and changing the appearance of text. In the next video, we'll learn another important group of string functions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.